Hey guys, last video for this series, and by this series, it's a series of 4 videos that includes the dual gold line install in the bedroom, annual Christmas tour, pre-snow, kitchen 2 A&Gs, and now this one. I might do an updated video of the bedroom before I switch to those fans, we'll see. But I decided to try this over here. This is obviously not going to be permanent because this is the opposite of what I said I want. I said I wanted something smaller and less fancy than that one over there. But I wanted to see the two similar A&Gs next to each other. I didn't want to miss the opportunity. I will say, looking at this, because you may remember, I got that motor by itself, and those are the blades off the Canada version. If I could get a set of blades to fit that was the same size as this or a little smaller and it didn't look crazy, and I could get some irons cast, because again, those are irons borrowed off a different one, I might keep this, because actually they look really great together. But let's see how they perform together. Alexa, main floor fans low. That one starts first, that one goes on, and that one goes slow. I have not tested this before. We're seeing all this in real time for the first time. Alexa, main floor fans medium. Not sure what the delay is there. I know it takes a little while. Alexa, main floor fans medium. Oh, there we go. Just did it. Yeah, I like this. I don't like that is bigger, and of course I don't like the idea of it having borrowed blades. But if I could find a set of blades that belong down there, I would make this. I like this way more than I thought I would. Okay. Alexa, main floor fans medium high. By the way, this is my first time seeing one of these installed with that canopy. I definitely think this was the Milwaukee Public Museum fan. It was probably the plain version, but the switch housing, the motor housing, everything else fits. Spiral down rod. Alexa, main floor fans high. I expect this one to really fly. It's got a good K63 in it. Oh yeah. That and the R&M. I don't know if this is still going to be here when I do my next whole house tour. So you know what? Let's do a real spin down video and see how this falls in the spin down family. Alexa, main floor fans off. We know that one will be first. Something's still on. Alexa, main floor fans off. Okay, let's try that again. Alexa, main floor fans high. Alexa, main floor fans off. Alexa, main floor fans off. There we go. So last time, the A&G we know is going to be first. A, there's friction from that unconventional motor arrangement. B, the blades have a lot of resistance. We know that's going to be first. F, I think the shaded pole is usually second. After that, I really don't know. Yeah, that's bringing back some childhood memories there. It also vaguely reminds me of the one that was in Nia's kitchen. Too bad I can't use the blades and arms off that because they have a different flywheel spacing. I'm going to get some irons cast, but that's expensive and time consuming. It's worth it, but it's expensive and time consuming. So we know the shaded pole. So we thought about putting the Imperial there, but I really wanted to keep a World's Fair up. Thought about putting the Tornado there. That's still a possibility. Unlikely, but still possible. If I get tired of the World's Fair, it's certainly an option. If I've talked about going all A&G. Can I get all three of these in one shot? Yes, I can. I like that a lot. It might stay there longer than I intended. I had other plans. Alexa, main floor fans, medium high. Man, I like it there much better than the one that was there last. The I can't remember the name. It's a variation on a Bentley. Okay. Alexa, main floor fans, medium. I don't like how that's wobbling though. How long of a pause did I put in there? There we go. Merry Christmas. Bye, Fanstick. Thanks for watching.